Alright, hello everybody. Thanks so much for joining me and welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael and hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Going to be jumping back into Python Crash Course, the Try It Yourself problem 5-8, Hello Admin. Make a list of 5 or more usernames, including the name of, quote, admin. Imagine you're writing code that will print a greeting message to each user after they log into a website. Loop through the list and print a greeting to each user. If the user is admin, print a special greeting such as hello admin. Would you like to see a status report? Otherwise, print a generic greeting such as hello Jaden, thank you for logging in again. Cool. So let's go ahead and define a variable called usernames. This variable is going to be a list, which is going to contain string objects for usernames. We'll go ahead and take care of putting admin out front. And we'll make a couple, such as Michael. These are usernames, so it'll be a little fun. We'll say XX Gamers XX. For our fourth username, let's go ahead and do Jaden, like the example. And for our fifth and final username, let's go ahead and say Kitty. We have our 5 usernames, one of which consisting of the word admin. We're going to loop through this username list and detect the username and print a message depending on which username it is. So let's go ahead and loop through using a for loop. So we're going to say for every username in usernames. It's common to use the singular version of the plural variable for lists. When doing it this way though, be careful to use the actual username, not usernames, when needing to manipulate or do something with the value for the item in the list, not the list itself. So we'll say if username is equal to, quote, admin, let's go ahead and print a message saying, hello, admin, would you like to see a status report, like the example shows. Otherwise, we're going to say print, and let's use an F string here to insert the value of the username into the string itself. Right? F strings give us the ability to take variables and actually put them in the string exactly where we want to have the value fill in for. So we'll say hello and use the bracket to insert the value of username, comma, thank you for logging in again. If we go ahead and run this, we should get 1 print statement out on the front for this guy, and then 4 print statements following for each of the following usernames. Let's run. And there you go. Hello admin, would you like to see a status report? Hello Michael, thank you for logging in again. Hello gamers, hello Jaden, and hello Kitty. Thanks so much for being here, guys. That was 5-8, Hello admin. I'll see you guys in the next one.